or paying for the rights to use an artwork or a song. These processes will soon become clearer with new regulations set to kick in come May next year. Content creators like songwriters, authors, record labels and publishers will also have better control over deals made with agencies that manage the rights to their works. Lauren Ong tells us more.
These textbooks are everyday essentials for students. Sometimes people reprint the problem sets or comprehension passages as worksheets or notes. Is that legal? That's where the Copyright Licensing and Administration Society of Singapore, or CLAS, steps in.
We sell a portion of the license, meaning that we allow users to make copies of up to a certain percentage of the rights holders' work legally. So they cannot copy the entire book, but they can use up to a certain allowable percentage.
Like a paragraph or a feature.
It could be like 5%, 10%, a certain limit.
To better manage these processes, the Law Ministry will introduce a new legislation.
The new law affects collective management organizations like CLAS. They deal with the rights and use of a creator's work, like those of songwriters, authors and filmmakers, and can represent up to 1,000 of them at a time. The key idea here is to make their policies more transparent and protect these content creators.
The new rules hope to give content creators more control. For example, they can ask how royalties are calculated. On their part, organizations have to take steps to be more transparent. This includes publishing a list of works they manage. One expert says this will bring clarity to all parties, including licensees that pay a fee to use the works.
Some of the licensing schemes offered by some CMOs now are a bit opaque. You don't know what you're paying for. You don't know what you're getting. You're not sure if the rights holder are getting the royalties that you are paying. So the purpose of this regulation is really to ensure that all relevant parties, both the right holders as well as the licensees, know exactly what is involved.
The new regulations also set out clear guidelines in the event of a dispute. A request can be filed to the Intellectual Property Office of Singapore to investigate a potential breach, but its powers are limited.
The risk of IPOS intervention do help content owners, but the regulatory regime is a bit of a light touch. I would say that there's heavy fines or they can't shut down the operation this way.
IPOS says affected organizations have 6 months to adjust their operations to comply with the new regulations.